Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install the audio driver on your PC or on your laptop. This is Windows 11, a version of operating system. So if you have problem with your sound, here for example, I do have a Realtek a speakers and you want to install the driver because you have problem with the sound itself. So all you have to do is very easy, just type on device manager here and try to search the sound first. Hear the sound. I'm using Realtek audio. Here you can update the driver, disable device and uninstall device. So all you have to do is just install the a device here, so the driver will automatically update it or install here. Or if you want to do it manually, you can open your browser. You can go to the realtek.com and download manually the driver here. Or you can use the other mirror or your manufacturer, for example in Lenovo, Asus, and if you use another laptop like HP, you can download the driver in the manufacturer website. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe button below.